Have you ever wondered how many Montagnard tribes exist in Vietnam's Central Highlands? In this video, you will discover the names of 30 tribes and subtribes along with their pronunciations. Some of these names may be familiar, while others might surprise you. Let's dive in. In this video, you will learn the names of 30 Montagnard tribes and subtribes. Many of these names represent major tribes, while others are subgroups within them. As you may know, the term Montagnard comes from the French, meaning Highlanders or mountain dwellers. The names featured in this video are those primarily found in the Central Highlands. These names are listed in no particular order. The goal of this video is to help you recognize the names of these tribes and learn how to pronounce them. Alternative names are included in parentheses for additional references. You know, most sources estimate that there are between 28 and 30 Montagnard tribes. However, no single source provides a definitive list. To compile these names, I consulted multiple sources, including books by anthropologist Jarai, who spent nearly 2 decades studying the Montagnards people. He is widely regarded as one of the leading scholars on the subject. Now, let's explore the names of these tribes. Jarai, Jarai. Bahnar, Bahnar. Rhade, Rhade. Kahal, Kahal. Mnong, Mnong. Sedang, Sedang. Rhade, Rhade. Raglai, Raglai. Brew, brew. Tao oi, tao oi. Catu, catu. Trieng, trieng. Ma, ma. Stieng, stieng. Hre, hre. Pakoh, pakoh. Hlang, hlang. Cua, cua. Chê, chê. Rừng nghèo. Alak, alak. Cruong, creung. Mương, mương. Phương, phương. Tam Puan, tam Puan. Brau, brau. Cayong, cayong. Ramam, ramam. Monom, monom. Did I miss any tribes? Or do you have suggestions for improving this list? Drop a comment below with any names you think should be added or insights you would like to share. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content on the Montagnard history and culture. Also, check out this video right here for another related content. Thank you for watching.